ba ni Sarah, who more likely says sorry first pagka nag-aaway kayo? And paano ba kayo mag-aaway?
Gusto mo makita ngayon?
Tawagan na, tawagan.
Hello, SARS.
Enactment, yun.
You know, how I...
After tonight, na-block na siya ni Sarah. Teka.
Unfollow.
Unfollowed. You know, what I learned from my father is more like he's my role model, and he's always taught me that in the end of the day you always have to bow down to the woman. So the woman's always correct. And so just give your explanation, and at the end of the day, you say I'm sorry. So and we move on.
Swerte ni Sarah. Ang swerte ni Sarah.
Sana ganyan, no?
Showbiz answer.
Hindi, totoo.
Okay, I think